Welcome back to this space. I'm going to be putting down some cardboard and some mulch around the lamium and the hellebores that I planted, and I had that video posted on Monday. So let's go over the process of using cardboard and some mulch. Super easy. It's very, very sunshiny. I have a lot of things against the house over here that eventually I hope to plant. But we have right here the lamium, and it will root into the ground. It will become a ground cover. And then over on this side, we have all the hellebores. They look so beautiful. I did have to weed at the bases of each plant. Then I'm probably gonna put some iron in for the hydrangea. But I'm gonna cover this section with some mulch. Now, we did find some mulch from an area nearby us that was a whole bed of mulch for $10. Okay, the process of using the cardboard in an area to cover with mulch, my purpose is to kill the rhizomal weeds as well as the large elephant ear. I need to get rid of all of that. So I'm going to cover everything around in this area with the cardboard. Now, I need to remember that these plants are going to return from the root base, and to leave some, a couple inches away from that root base. So I weeded really, really careful, and I'll probably recheck it and have to weed periodically. Other than that, 6 inches is the overlap, and then making sure that you cover right here where you have an open seam. Taking off the tape is preferred, especially if you're growing food in that area. I'll take off the tape as I can, and then I'm just going to keep moving on because I have more projects to do. So I'm not going to be real particular. You can get cardboard from Chick-fil-A, from maybe a group on Facebook asking to collect the cardboard. You can go to maybe Aldi. Grab the boxes that you can. Generally, it's preferred that it is not colored cardboard, and that your tape is removed and that your 6 inches overlap. And so remember to put something over or under any kind of holes that will be left from the flaps. So, and I'll put this down and add my mulch. That was a lot of work, putting down the cardboard, putting down the mulch. So let's take a look and see. It does look really good. I have a few more pieces and areas that I need to work on and tidy up, but it looks so good. From over there on the side, and I have a little bit of cardboard showing. I'm going to tidy that up. Right now, we're kind of in the sun. I'm going to also got to tidy up a few of the edges back there as well, but this whole section is going to turn into continuing to develop, and so with some more plants, it's going to look so good. Thank you for joining me as I develop my landscape and my gardens. Hopefully this is encouraging you to learn about the plants, find something that will be perfect for your spot. Follow for more.